Time management, it's a phrase we've all heard before, but do we really understand the critical importance it plays in achieving our personal goals and living a fulfilling life? The truth is, time is the one thing we all have in common, regardless of our background, education, or social status. We all get 24 hours in a day, and it's what we do with those hours that determines the quality of our lives. Let's face it, we've all been guilty of wasting time at some point or another. Procrastination, distractions from technology, lack of clear goals. These are just a few examples of how we sabotage our own success. We scroll through social media, checking our phones every 5 minutes, wondering why we're not making progress towards our goals. We put off important tasks until the last minute, then wonder why we're stressed and overwhelmed. And we pretend like we're working hard, but in reality, we're just busy being busy. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and messages, all competing for our attention. We're addicted to the constant stream of information, and it's robbing us of our focus and productivity. We're stuck in a cycle of busyness, but not really achieving anything of significance. And the worst part is, we're not even aware of it. We're like zombies, going through the motions, without any sense of direction or purpose. We're so caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life that we've forgotten what it's like to live intentionally. We've forgotten what it's like to set goals and work towards them with purpose and determination. We've forgotten what it's like to feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in what we've achieved. So, how do we overcome this? How do we break free from the cycle of procrastination and distractions? It all starts with setting clear goals and prioritizing our time. We need to identify what's truly important to us and focus on that. We need to learn to say no to non-essential tasks and yes to the things that will move us closer to our goals. We need to use tools like time blocking to schedule our days and make sure we're staying on track. We need to stop multitasking and focus on one thing at a time. We need to eliminate distractions, like turning off our phones or finding a quiet workspace. We need to take breaks, rest, and recharge so we can come back to our tasks with renewed energy and focus. We need to hold ourselves accountable and track our progress so we can see how far we've come. I'll never forget the time I realized I was wasting hours every day scrolling through social media. I was pretending like I was working, but in reality, I was just avoiding the task at hand. It wasn't until I deleted the apps from my phone and set a timer to track my time that I realized how much more productive I could be. It was a game changer for me, and it can be for you too. I remember the sense of accomplishment I felt when I finally finished a project I'd been putting off for months. It was a huge weight off my shoulders, and it gave me the confidence to take on even bigger challenges. It made me realize that time is a valuable resource, and it's up to us to use it wisely. So let's recap. We've talked about the importance of time management, common ways we waste time, and practical strategies for overcoming these challenges. Remember, it all starts with setting clear goals and prioritizing your time. Don't let procrastination and distractions hold you back from achieving your dreams. Don't waste another minute. Take action today. Value every moment and make deliberate choices that align with your goals. And I want to hear from you. What are some common ways you waste time? And what strategies have worked for you? Share in the comments below. And be sure to check out my other motivational videos for more inspiration and guidance.